guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know English, but yeah. Okay, I'm washing my face now. I think that's that I bought from I think I showed you. It was not a chance for it. 2 rand. Face wash. After that, but I thought, you know what, I should open my blog now and the so what is going to happen today? I am going to a certain training. I'm not going to work. I'm supposed to be going to work at work, but I need to really get because 9 is 9 time. So I don't want to be like there. I'm preparing to go there. I just woke up and so I did other things now, and then after Vasile, I'm gonna take my stock, put it in my bag, because I'll also be selling. Selling is life, selling is everything. And today I'm also doing my mini bags deliveries. I'm doing mini bags deliveries, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Let me go and wash. See you when we're going. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. So it's okay, love. I just took umntana ngapha kweyadi. So now I'm gonna have a bottle of water. I'm gonna have my handbag, transparent handbag, because my business girl. Let me leave, guys. Oh, I didn't have my traversal. So there. Today is Tuesday. I never wanna miss this. I'm not going to because that's my plan. So what? See you. Beautiful fruit. Hi guys, it's the afternoon now, and wow, somebody's tired. Just left town hall. I'm so exhausted. I don't want to lie. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna do these orders. I'm thinking of going to Endlin. Windows along corner. So I'm not sure what will happen, but I want to tell you that this is the end of the vlog. In fact, this is the end of the day for me today. I'm just gonna call hubby and ask him back what he wants to eat, because abashusha amanzi ami sekuphuma nezikolo ezikhulu, high schools. Oh guys, see you when I see you. I don't know when. This is another day. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to everyone that is celebrating today. I am leaving. So let me go. I'm not taking you with me, guys. I'm not. But I wanted to say hello. Oh, I'm making myself a break. I the only one Orlando guy? Or was the like eat like Diozela? After I'm putting it, so because it's cold, I'm gonna have my black tea, and then I'm gonna add my honey collagen. By now, you should know that I'm on day. I think this is day 11. When I check, I'm just gonna add my collagen. 1 spoon. Collagen, guys, it's really good for cellulite. Hair thickness and I have big hair. That's one thing I know. I'm sitting here today. Yo, I'm walking like it's past 4 and yeah, I don't want to lie. But it's good. I'm happy that I got a chance to go there and support other people as a client, because that's what we do with client. Now I'm waiting for hubby to pick me so that we go to town. I will do some deposits FNB because we took empty. I'm not sure if it was a because now I feel like sleeping. So we'll see what to do. But as for today, I think it's a bye-bye for me. It's a bye-bye for me. I'm not closing this vlog. Or should I close it? No, I'm not closing it. I'm not closing it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you guys. I love you, all of you. Hey loves. It's another day. I woke up at the 7. It means that we're fighting. Yes. So the thing is, today it's SportDay. So they are cooking. They are I'm gonna see you. I'm not gonna go to the grounds. I will only go when my class is playing, like when my babies playing. Grade R. Serious. Ciao, Madonna. Miss Savannah.